In this video, I will show you how to solve a linear programming problem using Excel. So, this is the problem we are going to solve. We will be using the solver and add-ins in Excel. Let's do it. Before we start, we need to install the solver first. If you are using a MacBook like me, go to Tools. Select Excel Add-ins. And check the box Solver Add-in. Click OK. Go to Data. You can see Solver there. If you are using Windows, go to File, Options, Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins, and then click Go. Here, you can install Solver similarly. Now, I will introduce what different cells are for. For the yellow cells, they represent the values of the variables x1, x2 and x3. For now, we keep them blank. After using the solver, the optimal solution will appear there. For the green cell, it represents the objective value by substituting the values of the yellow cells into the objective function. Therefore, we will put this formula inside the cell. For the orange cells, they represent the coefficients of x1, x2 and x3 in the constraints. For the blue cells, they represent the values of the left-hand side of the constraints. Therefore, we can use the sum product formula to compute the values here. Let's do it. Since we do not have any values for x1, x2 and x3 at the moment, the green and blue cells will be 0. Now, we have all the necessary inputs. Click Solver. For set objective, please select the objective value cell, the green one. Change max to min in this case. The variable cells are the yellow cells. Next, click Add to add the constraints. Select the blue cells for the cell references. Change the inequality symbols if needed, and input the right-hand side values of the constraints. Make sure to check the box if your variables are non-negative. Then, select Simplex LP for the method. Click Solve. So, the minimum value minus 22.4 will be obtained at x1 equals 6.2, x2 equals 11.6, and x3 equals 0. You can also see that all constraints are satisfied. That's how you solve a linear programming problem using Solver in Excel. I hope it helps. See you next time.